Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable emoji panel on your MacBook. In this video we'll learn this guys. So for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work. Just use this shortcut key, hold Control key plus Command from your keyboard and then press space in your keyboard. It will quickly launch the emoji panel on your MacBook, as you can see guys. So just remember the shortcut key, hold Control key plus Command and then press space. That's it. So this is the very easy and very simple method to launch the emoji panel on your MacBook. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.